In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an inventory item in Xero Australia. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and which fields matter, so your stock levels, costs, and sales stay accurate. First, open Xero and land on the homepage of the organization you want to work in. From the main navigation, head to Sales. This is where Xero groups your customer-facing tools and products. Within Sales, choose Products and Services. This page shows every item you sell or buy, and it's where you'll create new ones. Click New Item. A blank item card opens. Because we want Xero to track quantities on hand and cost of goods sold automatically, select Track Inventory Item. Now complete the item details. Add an item code that's short and unique like a SKU, a clear item name, and an optional description that appears on quotes and invoices. Under Sales Information, enter the unit price you normally charge, choose the sales revenue account, and select the correct Australian tax rate, for example GST on income if applicable. You can leave price blank if it varies. Under Purchases, tick I purchased this item if you also buy it from suppliers, then add the expected cost price, the expense or cost of sales account, and the tax rate such as GST on expenses. For tracked items, confirm the inventory asset account. Xero usually suggests the default inventory account. Leave it unless your accountant has advised otherwise. If you already have stock on hand, enter the opening quantity and its average unit cost, so your on-hand value starts correctly. If not, you can leave those at zero and Xero will update quantities as you buy and sell. Add any optional details like a default supplier or a barcode if you use one, then review everything for typos or incorrect tax rates. When you're happy, click Save. You'll be returned to Products and Services and your new item will appear in the list with a tracked status. From now on, purchasing this item increases quantity on hand and selling it decreases quantity while posting cost of goods sold automatically. Quick tips. Keep item codes consistent, use clear names your team can search, and double-check Australian GST settings to avoid misreporting. If you don't see the Track Inventory option, your user role or plan may not include inventory tracking, so check with your subscriber or advisor. That's it. Your tracked inventory item is set up and ready to use in Xero.